Good morning, guys. Let's go to the pool. Oh, it's open? We got watermelon. Ginger or organic raspberry, vitamin C. Okay. Yeah, it's wet. Thank you. Cheers. This one's good.
Damn.
Because it's not ginger. Ginger's spicy.
Yeah, but ginger is pretty good.
Yeah, it's really good for you.
Wait for it to come down before the other one goes.
Yeah. Yeah. Want to answer? Alright, y'all, we are back from the pool. It was a good pool day. However, it looked like it was about to rain soon, so we dipped. I'm about to take a shower and then we're gonna go to Chipotle because we are starving. I did get a little tan, but I definitely wanted to get more tan, but I am loving this summer. Compared to last summer, I'm definitely outside more and it feels good. Why does my ends look dry? Does my ends look dry to y'all? It does. Our pool water is salt water, so it's not chlorine. So that's what I like about it too. That's why I don't mind like wetting my hair and stuff, because it's like, to me it's healthier for your hair than chlorine. So alright guys, let me shower and then we're going to Chipotle. Can you get the umbrella?
You need a bigger umbrella.
I know.
Like a white one.
Thank you, Alright, y'all. There is no stopping the summer weather. It's truly, 1 minute it's sunny, the next minute it's rain. But I'll see you at Publix. I'll see you at Chipotle.
Drops are falling on my head, they keep falling. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop.
Guys, we're done eating at Chipotle.
At Publix.
At Chipotle. And we're about to take a nap. We are super tired. It's raining. We're gonna knock out. Hi, cutie.